We're going to troubleshoot the common Django error. The image attribute has no file associated with it. This usually pops up when you're working with file uploads, specifically images, and something's gone wrong with how Django is handling the file. Let's look at some of the most common causes and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect file upload form. The first thing to check is your form. Make sure you've correctly defined the file field in your Django form. It should use Forms Image Field or Forms File Field, and importantly, the widget should be something that handles file uploads like Forms File Input. Double-check that the name attribute in your form matches the field name in your model. A simple typo here can cause this error. 2. Missing enctype attribute. This is a crucial point often overlooked. Your HTML form needs the enctype multipart form data attribute. This tells the browser to send the file data correctly. Without it, Django won't receive the uploaded file. Check your template. You'll need this attribute on the form tag. 3. File handling in your view. Once the form is submitted, your view needs to correctly handle the uploaded file. You should access the file using request file's image field name, where image field name is the name of your file field in the form. Make absolutely sure that your field name matches exactly between the HTML template, the Django form, and the view's request file's access. It's easy to introduce an error here, like forgetting the name or using the wrong case. 4. Model field issues. Your Django model needs a field of the correct type to hold the image. Use model's image field or model's file field for more general files. Remember to set a path for where Django will store the uploaded files. You do this by setting the upload to argument in your model's image field. It usually takes a string, a function, or a callable that will provide the path and file name for the image. 5. File validation. Django provides validation tools. Check whether your image field or file field has any validation rules attached, and whether the uploaded file meets these rules, file type, file size, etc. If the validation fails, the file will not be saved, leading to this error. You can use a file field and image field validators like validators. File extension validator to check for correct file extensions. 6. Debugging with print statements. If you're still stuck, add print statements in your view to check the contents of request files. This helps you see if the file is being received by your view at all. You might also consider logging errors and exceptions more extensively in your view. 7. Incorrect model saving. Finally, ensure that you're actually saving the model instance after processing the uploaded file. Model instance .save is the command to use. If you forget this crucial step, the image won't be associated with the model, even if everything else seems correct. By carefully reviewing these points and using print statements or a debugger to track the file's journey, you should be able to track down the source of the image attribute has no file associated with it error and get your Django application working correctly. Remember to always check the spelling and case of your field names. A simple mistake is often the